Hi, welcome all. In this video, I'll be showing the DataHub Kafka integration or how Kafka plays a crucial role in the DataHub. Okay. In my first video, I have shown you that this is the architecture. We have a client tier, app tier, and a persistence tier. So whenever we do any ingestion, it will come to the emitter API. Based on the emitter API, it will come metadata service, Kafka, and at the end it will be stored in the MySQL Elasticsearch and audit event. Okay, now I'll be giving a little more explanation on top of it. Okay, suppose that I am running a Spark program and it is emitting some data and I am using a REST emitter. Okay, in the case of a REST emitter, it will go to directly to the metadata service GMS. Okay, in the GMS, the sync ingestion, it will go to the meta. It's a HTTP connection will be triggered to the service layer in the GMS, and the GMS will initially store into the primary storage MySQL. That's what we have seen. In case of Kafka is down, I will show you an example. In case of Kafka is down also, it will get stored into the primary storage. From serving layer, it will go to the primary storage. Then it will another one layer is there. It will create an MCL means metadata change log. Okay, it's already metadata has been changed. Okay, that's a metadata's change log, and from there it will go a MAE consumer metadata old event consumer will pick those events, consume it as a consumer. It will go send it to the Elasticsearch. Then people will be able to do the query and everything properly. If okay, this is the architecture. This in case is a Kafka or a REST emitter. But in case if you have a REST Kafka emitter, what happen? Means Kafka emitter means it EMC the similar thing is a async ingestion will be happening. Okay, the same record will be coming to the serving layer. Then it will go to the MCP metadata change metadata change proposal means it's just a proposal only. Okay, so it's not happened yet. So this proposal, then it will go to the MC consumer metadata change event consumer. Then it again sending the serving layer and store in the primary storage. The same time the MC consumer it converted already into the MCL format, and it will be MCL will be it stored in the MCL Kafka. And the MCL metadata change log capture, this one is already happened. Then MA consumer, then Elasticsearch. Okay, so like here in the metadata change proposal, right, these are the entity. You will be having a audit header will be there, entity type will be there, entity URN will be there, entity aspect will be there. Okay, I will show a sample here. This one a MCL, a change proposal. A proposal will be there, aspect name will be there. This one I am updating one domain to a data flow. So aspect name will be there, entity URN will be there, entity type will be there, and aspect will be there. Okay, what aspect need to be updated here? Okay, this is a proposal. Okay, now, if you go like one server, I just logged into one Docker exec I minus interactive mode, the node I have container I loaded and bin bash. Then I list the topics in the uh, mm, uh, mm, broker localhost 9092. I could see upgrade history v1, usage event v1, metadata change event v4, change event v4, change log time series, version v1, and proposal. Okay, so platform event. Okay, I will come to everything. So this change event, right, these two are got depreciated as per their latest code. I could see event topic convention. Okay, that audit event. Okay, change event topic name, the name of the metadata change event v4 Kafka topic. Note that metadata change events are depreciated. Okay, v4 change event v4 is got depreciated. Let's see what it's telling about v1. Anything telling about v1? Nothing. V1 is nothing is mentioned. Okay, so this change event it is depreciated. V4 change event is got depreciated. And if you see the change proposal, right? The change proposal will get load only if you are in Kafka emitter. Okay, and we mostly get data in the change log version. So every version, whatever we do operation in the what do you call them, in the data hub, a event will be created and that event will be sent to the version one. And as per they are mentioning, we have a change log time series also one. Means here what they trying to mention, we have a version one, latest only will be there, and time series all the history will be maintained. But when I observed, I could not see the time series, all the version thing. I don't know whether any property I'm missing or not, but I could not find any times a history of it. Only the is instance specific. Okay, let me start one. Let me hmm, let me run already there. Let me in the time series they have told the as per their documentation. If you see here, okay, let me go here in their documentation. It's mentioned change data version and time series. Okay, this will be there and each okay change series, right? This series will be having the history of information, but both which are even related to an asset that occurred at a particular time. A particular time means it should have a history, but every time it should have history, what I understood. But here I was not able to see all the information, just the processing instance, one of the data processing instance related log only I could see there. Okay, but when I see other one, right, not this one. mm, One second, let me show you. mm, the version one, version one. See all the events, what events we are making here, right? Suppose that if I go here and the data hub, I'm I'm just add owner data hub. Any event if you are making, that event will be reflected here. Okay. The similar way, if we go, another one is a PE event. We could see one more is the P platform event. Any change related to the platform, because same information is getting captured here also in the platform event also it is getting captured, but metadata change event proposal, this both they developed for different use cases. Okay, but what they have mentioned in the platform event is more in a readable human readable format, and the metadata change event proposal, the change event, right, it is in a the MCL format. Okay, like if you see here, I just captured one. uh, this is the MCL, metadata change log, and the same event which loaded into the PE, this is in different format. I don't know exactly what is the use case behind the PE event. Okay, what is happening? Okay, this one. This is the difference between this is a above one is a PE event, MCL event, and this is a PE event. Okay, and if you want to see the code, right, in the code, a Kafka event producer, this which comes from the Kafka metadata DAO implementation. There it is sending the event to this, producing this event into the version one. Okay, first what exactly it is doing here, they have mentioned none of the blog. Mm. They what they do, MCP may be emitted by client of DataHub low level design API. No, yeah. Each event is originally authored by a PDL. LinkedIn has been leveled up by PDL. PDL is nothing like that, schema related information. Okay, to validate. CASAS is a schema definition and a serialization system developed as part of the REST LI framework. It provides multi-language support for servicing built using REST LI, handles seamless serialization and deserialization of data between server and clients. PDL is a schema definition language for Pegasus. developed for user-friendly and concise format replacement for the older JSON basic PST schema format. To while serializing and deserializing, they will be using this schema format. Okay, to get the proper information. Okay, and after that, they will be once this is converted into their develop LinkedIn. First, it will be checked with PDL whether the schema is correct. Will map to the PDL, and then will be converting to Avro equivalent. After converting this Avro equivalent, then it will be writing the events to Kafka. That only I'm telling here. This is happening in the Kafka event producer. So it will be converting Pegasus snapshot to Avro snapshot. If any failure is happening, this what will happen? This failed convert Pegasus to MI this one. Then it will be sending to the failed event. Okay, here it will be sending to the failed event one. Okay, otherwise it will be sending to the normal one. Like like I've shown, right? Metadata change proposal v1. Change not proposal, change log v1. Okay. Then it will be sending. Yeah. These are the main thing related to Kafka. I'll be showing what exactly multiple use case of Kafka in a further session.